Hey there, good people. Big Mo the Crypto Lion here. I wanted to give you a quick update on Corexcoin. I wanted to stop and just make a quick video for those of you who did not participate in the pre-sale when the tokens were only 29 cents. The round one starts in 1 hour and 28 minutes, and at this round the tokens are 65 cents. So still a good deal. The tokens, I believe, will go up to $1 something in the next 75 cents, 85 cents, and I think the last round is $1 something. I don't have that directly in front of me. But the other reason that I wanted to mention this, to give you an opportunity to get in, is because I've been looking at some of the things they're doing. They have a very, very active Telegram group with over 1,000 people, and I just saved a couple of messages that I wanted to share with you. So here, I don't know if this is the image or their actual code or what. I can't say for sure. But they did post this recently in their Telegram group. We'd like to inform you briefly how our current situation in trading is. Today we made our first arbitrage with over $100,000, and our bot was able to make a profit of 7%. So that means $7,000 profit on just one arbitrage trade. Very successful trade. Blah, blah, blah. Now in the Forex market, our traders have been earning the most profit so far. There's a window of opportunity during the day, on the day when our traders only trade on the Forex market. The time window is 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. because at this time the markets in Europe and the U.S. have opened. So they both have they're open in both Europe and the U.S. So I guess they're able to deal with both continents, countries. In this period, the Forex market is booming, and we usually make the biggest profits here. For us, the Forex market is a very important and profitable point because here, that's 60% of their profits. Okay? The market analyzes for the crypto and Forex market promise very high profits in coming months, so on and so forth, blah, blah, blah. So I did want to share that as one of the things that they're doing. Let me look at the other pinned messages. Okay, I just copied it off. It's hard for me to scroll back and forth and capture these messages in Telegram. But here they go. This is they posted this. I think this was yesterday. Congratulations to everyone who believes in us, including yourself. Here's a quick recap of what we did last month. A lot of positivity, mistakes, but much more of a lot of great things. We will continue and make our project a great success. So their webpage is out. Facebook, Twitter, Telegram. We're in the Telegram now. There's 1,000 some people. White paper, roadmap, the coin, smart contract. You can go right on Etherscan and actually see their smart contract and verify the coin. They've updated the dashboard. They have their partnership with Coin Payments, and that's actually how you will participate in the ICO. The internal exchange is in beta, so I'll show you that in a minute. You can actually, once you sign up and you log in, you'll be able to see that they have their internal exchange open. So as opposed to some of these platforms that have been 3 months, 6 months, since before Christmas, don't have an internal exchange, they're ready to rock. They're ready in beta. ICO, lending platform's not ready yet. So these are the things they still are planning on working on. 2FA, external exchange, Corex safety stick, so on and so forth. So they're just kind of letting you know what's been going on. Okay. Now they do have some bonuses. Now I have a special bonus that they've given to me for anyone who signs up on my channel or under my link, and I'll share that with you here in a moment. But right now, what they're offering is, like I said, it's 65 cents a coin. Anyone who invests over $500, they'll get their $500 worth plus another 100 Corex coins as a gift from us for free. Okay, so this is for anyone who deposits over $500. All right, they'll throw in 100 Corex coins. So that's, if you just sign up directly into them, I mean, that's up to you if you want to use my link or not. Entirely up to you. Not twisting anybody's arm. Just, giving you an opportunity, just pointing it out for you. Here's what they gave me. We can offer you, for every user under your ref link, a giveaway. So anyone who buys tokens with my link with $100, they'll get 50 bonus tokens for every $100 spent. Okay, so now I think that's what it's saying. Okay, so Let's see, let's grab a calculator here. So that means if you spend $500 times, oops, let me say 5 times 2, 5, let's try that again. So 50 tokens for every $100. So $500 is 5 times that amount. That could be, I'm not sure. All I know is what they told me. For every $100, you get $50 bonus. All right. So that's in addition to what they'll offer you directly for the $65, excuse me, for the $500. So this one, with $100, you'll be able to get an extra 50 tokens. Okay, and that's just signing up with my link. All right, some more stuff to share. Okay, we've looked at Telegram. I highly advise you to join their Telegram group. Let me cancel that so you can actually see. Yeah, Corex_info. They have over 1,000 members. On the website, there's over 9,000 people signed up. Let's see. Yeah, 9329 active users. I've only done one video on them. I did a full review. I'll put a link up here in the description. But so they've got a lot going on. Let me see. Okay, so this is, did I sign in? Okay, so they already talked about the ICO. Oh, and this is the minimum. So the minimum, for those of you, don't want to take advantage of the bonuses or whatever, you can put in 20 bucks. Okay? That's, skip coffee for a couple of days or skip happy hour a day, and boom, you got 20 bucks. All right? The maximum is $7,000, so they're trying to make it so that all, any investor can get in, not just, one whale buy up, 75% of the tokens and everybody else is left out in the cold. Okay? Okay, my web connection is a little buggy today. Okay, so they're on foundico.com/ICO/Corex.html. They do have an 8 out of 10 ICO score, so you feel free to nose around, and they've got some good information here about the sale. This is from the Corex official YouTube channel. Connection to some of their tweets. Like I said, they're very active on social media. All right, this is, yeah, my browser and everything's a little buggy today, but we're gonna get through it. We'll get through it. Okay, so this is on Found ICO. Again, not making a recommendation here, but just giving you the information and the tools so you can make an informed decision. Okay, so let's jump over here to their instructions. If you did decide to participate in the token sale, they're showing you how to do that. Once you click on, let me show you on the dashboard. Once you click on token sale, it will give you I think this is cute. Nice try. It's still not the right time. But once you click on token sale, this will reveal the address to send your Ethereum. And remember, send it from an ERC20 wallet like my Ether wallet. And that's how, because as soon as you send it, you'll do it through coin payments, and the instructions, I'll show you that in a moment. They'll instantly send you your tokens, okay? And then you just add the token symbol and the decimals, and it'll show up in your ERC20 wallet. Okay, so you can send your investment. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I told you the wrong thing. So you can send it from any BTC or ETH wallet, but in your dashboard, make sure you put your ERC20 compatible wallet. All right, make sure to send the right amount. So it says buy Corex token. You'll be redirected to their payment partner, Coin Payments. That's a very robust payment system. A lot of ICOs use it. It's a lot easier than them handling your tokens or sending you an email and all this stuff that some of them have done. All right. And it'll tell you what address to send it to. Now, I don't know if this is the current address. All right. If I were you, I would just wait until the time comes up, click on token sale, and verify that that's the same address that's right there. Okay. So, okay. You can reach out to the support team if you have any questions. Pending, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So it's pretty straightforward. So you send it to your you send your BTC or your ETH. It'll give you the exact amount to send, and then it'll send the amount of tokens to your ERC20 wallet. All right. And here it's got the steps on adding your Corex coins to your ERC20 wallet, and this is all under assets instructions.pdf. Okay, I'll pop this in the description as well, just to you know, make it a little bit easier for you. Okay, back to the dashboard. All right, and remember to add your ERC20 wallet so they can send you your tokens. Okay, so here are the rounds. If you've missed, obviously you've missed the pre-sale. Maybe you did participate in pre-sale. So here's the one, 65 cents. So it goes all the way to round 5, and that's $1.05. Okay, so even if you participate in this round, you still almost 2x your money by the time the end of the month, by the end of March. All right, let's see what else. Okay, so this was their special offer that we mentioned before. For every $500 investment, you get an extra 100 Corex coins. If you do have problems, just hit them up at support. They're very responsive. I deal with them on a regular basis, just to chat and just to kind of, you know, ask questions and stuff. So just support at Corexcoin.io or on Telegram, and that's they have an admin or two on there, so they'll be able to help you out with any questions that you have. Let's see, they had another notice. Okay, here they're just telling you about the internal exchange and about the token sale, the beta version of the internal exchange. Oh, almost forgot. We're doing I'm doing a 100 token giveaway, and here's all you have to do to win 100 Corex coins. Just like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment with your ERC20 wallet address. So that means it can't be a Jax address, it can't be a Exodus wallet address. It has to be an ERC20 wallet address where I can send your tokens. And that's it. Nothing complicated here, folks. All right, and I will be announcing the winner in a video over the next few days. Okay? So by the time the ICO is over, the last round of the ICO, round 5, the tokens are worth $1. They'll cost $1.05. So that's how I came up with a grand total of $105. All right, so that's it. Again, Big Mo the Crypto Lion here. Please share, like, and subscribe to this channel. And peace and God bless.